Have you ever wondered how the female reproductive system works? Well, today we delve into the intricate details of the vagina's anatomy and function. We'll explore both the external and internal parts of the vagina, shedding light on their crucial roles in sexual arousal and reproduction. Moreover, we'll demystify the hormonal changes that take place within this complex system. So buckle up for an enlightening exploration of the human body's wonders. Join us on this journey to understand the fascinating workings of the female reproductive system. Starting with the external part, the vulva is the collective term for the external parts of the vagina. Yes, you heard it right. The vulva is not a singular structure, but a group of several key parts, each with its own unique function and role. First on our list is the labia majora, the larger outer set of skin folds. They serve as a protective shield for the more sensitive structures within, like a cushioned doorway to a secret garden. Then we have the labia minora, the smaller inner folds that further safeguard the interior, and are rich in blood vessels and nerve endings, contributing to sexual arousal. Next we come to the clitoris, a highly sensitive organ responsible for sexual pleasure in women. Despite its small size, it's an incredibly powerful part of the female anatomy. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, directing the symphony of sexual arousal. Then, there are two important openings within the vulva, the urethral opening and the vaginal opening. The former is the exit route for urine, separate from the reproductive system. The latter, the vaginal opening, is the pathway for menstrual flow, and of course, the birth canal during childbirth. Now that we've explored the external anatomy, let's delve deeper into the internal structure of the vagina. Moving inward, the vagina is a muscular canal that extends from the cervix, which is the lower part of the uterus, to the external part of the female genitalia, which is the vulva. Intricately designed, the vagina is an elastic, multifunctional structure, with walls that are capable of significant expansion and contraction. This elasticity is a key feature, allowing the vagina to accommodate various functions, from sexual intercourse to childbirth. The walls of the vagina are lined with mucous membranes, which keep it protected and moist. These walls are also richly supplied with blood vessels, aiding in the vagina's self-cleaning process and enabling it to respond during sexual arousal. Furthermore, the vagina is divided into two main sections, the outer third, which is often referred to as the introitus, and the inner two-thirds. The outer third is rich in nerve endings, contributing to sexual pleasure, while the inner two-thirds are less sensitive, facilitating childbirth. Nestled within these walls, there's a unique environment that houses beneficial bacteria, primarily lactobacilli. This bacteria plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy pH level in the vagina, which is slightly acidic. This acidity helps ward off harmful bacteria and infections, acting as a natural defense mechanism. The vagina also serves as a conduit for menstrual flow from the uterus. During menstruation, the lining of the uterus, or the endometrium, sheds and exits the body through the vagina. In the context of sexual intercourse, the vagina receives the penis, and the elastic nature of its walls allows it to expand for this purpose. During arousal, the blood vessels in the walls of the vagina dilate, leading to a process called vaginal tenting, where the upper two-thirds of the vagina expand. Moreover, childbirth is another crucial function of the vagina. It expands to allow the passage of the baby from the uterus, showcasing an extraordinary level of flexibility and resilience. With the internal structure covered, let's now understand the hormonal changes and sexual arousal mechanism in the vagina. The female reproductive system undergoes various hormonal changes during a menstrual cycle and plays a crucial role in sexual arousal. Throughout the menstrual cycle, the levels of hormones such as estrogen and progesterone fluctuate. These hormones are responsible for changes in the lining of the uterus and also impact the vagina by altering its acidity and thickness of its lining. Now let's talk about sexual arousal. During this process, the body releases a hormone called oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone. This hormone triggers the Bartholin's glands located near the vaginal opening to produce lubrication. This lubrication reduces friction, making sexual activity more comfortable. Simultaneously, the vagina expands and lengthens, a phenomenon known as tenting, to accommodate potential penetration. These hormonal changes and responses are not only fascinating, but they are also essential for sexual health and reproduction. Understanding these processes helps us appreciate the complexity and efficiency of the female reproductive system. To wrap up, the vagina is an intricate and vital part of the female reproductive system. Its external and internal anatomy, together with its hormonal changes during sexual arousal, all play key roles in reproduction. The vagina's complex structure and function is a testament to the marvel that is the human body. The understanding of its anatomy and physiology is not just crucial for medical students, but for everyone. The more we understand about our bodies, the better we can care for them. Knowledge empowers us to make informed decisions about our health.